Welding materials, P, F and A numbers. AWS classification and filler metal selection, storage and handling. API body of knowledge. Expect the inspector to have the knowledge and skills required to review a procedure qualification record. A welding procedure specification and a welder performance qualification. In part 1 of this module, we talked about welding procedure specification, WPS, procedure qualification record, PQR, and reviewing WPS against the supporting PQR. In part 2, we explained welder performance qualification, WPQ. Welding materials, base metal and consumable.